Alright, let's turn this spruce sapling, or stick, into two magic wands. So we'll start with this gorgeous end here. Take off a couple of those fine hair roots. And let's turn that on. Now what you want to do is about 3 hand grips to size it for whatever your hand is. And that's where you want to make the cut for the first one. There we go. Oh, it's gonna be nice. Set that aside. Now this one here, it's nice and cut there, but that end's kind of rough. So let's trim that out a bit. Oh, sorry about my arm in the way there. And there we go. 2 wand blanks ready for the sander. Alright, let's do the pretty one first. Let's turn that on. Don't forget to use your special eraser to clean the belt. And yeah, first let's take off this oxidized layer that was just below the bark. Get that all nice and smooth. Oh, if you're wondering where I got this, by the way, green ash sapling just started growing between my propane meter outside, so I had to pull it out of the ground anyway. But the root just looks so cool like this, so I peeled the bark right off. Like, it came off in one piece. Sapling bark comes off super easy. You can actually make rope out of it. It's really cool. Anyway, right now I'm just tapering the edge here now that I've got most of the skin off. Now after we finish the tapering for the grip, we want to go on the edge of the wheel here and go once for every finger groove you want. I usually do about 4 or 5. It depends on the size of the handle for the individual wand. For this one, let's go 6 because it fits a bit better. We're not going to get all the brown off of this part because when we shellac it, when you see later, you will see it shine a bit gold, like a very different color than the rest of the wand. It'll add some nice contrast. Now we're going to start doing the second one here with the hand grip at first. Just nice, simple, and straight, and then we're going to taper it. Now to dry the sapling before you do your sanding, all you really have to do is leave it on a table in the sun for about a week. If you're worried about rain, don't be. Actually, if you stand it up a little bit, rain almost helps them draw the moisture out of wood. I've kind of noticed myself. I wonder what spells these ones are going to catch. Stay tuned to the end to see. Anyway, let's add a nice unicorn spiral into this. Why do I say unicorn? Because it makes me think of my daughter who loves unicorns. Oh, look at that. Oof. Now let's add a spiral into this guy too. I like spirals. And there we go. 2 spruce wands. Let's burn them. Alright, time to cast a spell. Aglu. Jerry. I thought you were on vacation. Okay, I guess that's the Jerry one. Anyway, I don't want to summon Jerry, so let's see what this other guy can do. Where did I put him? Ah, yes, here in the garden. By the way, don't forget to subscribe for more videos, okay? Alright, let's see if this one does a better spell. Let's get Jerry out of here. Snazu! Huh? 2 Jerrys? Oh no.